Hello everyone. Today I'm going to share with you my H2 Hummer, and I'm going to share with you how to remove the grab handle on driver side or passenger side or in the rear. It's very easy and a simple process, and let's get started. The door grab handle. How are you going to remove it if you have a broken one? This is very easy. You need a small screwdriver and big straight screwdriver. And if we look at on this one, there is a small cutout on this side. We put the small screwdriver in and we pull this out. We're going to use the biggest screwdriver on this side and we're going to pry this out. As you see, it come out. Once we pull this out, just like this, then we're going to grab it and pull it out. And that's how it's simple and easy to remove your door grab handle. This is the door handle for passenger side, and the same technique. Put it in the big screwdriver and pop these out. This is pretty tedious work, but if you have a patient, then nothing is hard. So we pull this one out, and the same thing we're going to do on this side. These are solid plastic retainer clip, so you have to be very careful. See, once it's open, you just grab it and pull it down. So that's how it's a simple and easy to remove the grab door handle. This is the driver side on the rear. This is the door handle, and the same thing. We're going to put this small screwdriver in there and bring this one down, just like this. And on this one, we're going to put this one down here, and we're going to pull it out. Don't force it, otherwise you will break the clip. So this is the passenger side, and this is the back of the driver side. When we pull this one out, and this one pull out. So once we pull these out, now we're going to grab it and take it out. That's all, simple and easy. Easy. If your coat hanger is broken, you can take it out the handle and you replace it. And if this video helped you out, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you and have a good day. Bye bye.